Day 23 of 365. I'm here at the park starting a new challenge, push up every day for the whole year. I'm adding 1 push-up daily until the year is over. I bet you can do 23 push-ups today, but if you can, drop in the comments below. Let's go. Hello. Can I invite you for a quick challenge?
Sorry.
Yeah, can I invite you for a quick challenge? I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year, but since it's my day 23, we're just gonna do 23 push-ups.
No, I can do it.
We can do it on a bench.
No.
You can rest, you can stop whenever you're
Sorry.
tired.
I'm very tired now.
Okay.
Sorry.
Maybe next time. Okay? I'll see you around. Hi guys. Can I invite you for a quick challenge? I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. But since it's my day 23, we're just gonna do 23 push-ups. We can stop, if you're tired, we can rest. Hey guys! Okay, let's do it there. 23 lang po. We're gonna do it together.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Hindi ako. Dapat.
Yeah. Okay, facing there.
Kaya yan.
I'm here at the park. I'm with
Janame.
and
Erickson.
okay, since it's my day 23, we're just gonna do
23 po.
it's gonna be on my count. When was the last time you do push-ups?
Kahapon po.
Kahapon. Okay, done. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You wanna rest?
No.
Okay, 21, 22, 23, 23. Okay, rest a bit. But don't quit. We're on the 23, right? Okay. Do you do push-ups, ma? Okay. 23. All right, in 3, 2, 1, go. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. We're just gonna do 23, right? Oh,
Sobra po.
napasobra tayo. Kala ko 33.
Subscribe to Monday.
Follow the challenge.
Thank you, guys. Day 23 done. See you on day 24. Don't forget to share your push-up guide in the comments below. Subscribe and follow the challenge. Bye for now.